Is pulling the thermostat faceplate off always safe or recommended for all users? No, not always safe and only sometimes recommended depending on the thermostat type and user comfort with basic care. Mechanical and simple digital thermostats can usually have their faceplates removed gently for battery changes or cleaning, but smart thermostats and units with sensitive electronics may use plastic latches or clips that break if pried. Start by turning the thermostat display off or switching power at the breaker when possible to reduce risk of shorting or interference. Use a flat tool like a plastic spudger or a fingernail and apply steady, even pressure near the edges rather than forcing the center, and keep the device grounded by touching a metal surface first to reduce static buildup. If the unit has a backplate secured with screws, remove screws first and keep them in a secure container so you do not lose them. Always consult the user manual for any special removal sequence or tab locations because some models hide clips under the display or have a release latch that must be pressed. When removing the faceplate, avoid touching exposed circuit board components and place the plate on a soft, clean surface to prevent scratching or damage. Common mistakes include forcing the faceplate off and snapping plastic clips, which you avoid by applying even pressure at clip points and using the correct release technique. Another issue is creating static discharge that can damage sensitive electronics, and you can prevent that by touching a grounded metal object first and working on a non-static surface. A third concern is disconnecting wiring on thermostats that have hardwired connections. Do not pull the plate off until you have turned off power at the breaker and photographed wiring positions so you can reconnect correctly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for thermostat service and other home projects and gives contractors a place to find work and connect with clients. We also host a discussion community where users and pros share hands-on tips, model-specific advice, and installation experiences.